Okay, so these are your main controls.
We couldn't put them inside.
Inside the cabinets, no, they're just
Too small. Too small.
yeah, everything is full.
Yeah.
So that shows that we have the inverter power coming in.
Okay.
So if we want to do it, we're going to turn that on. That turns your 110 volts on. And then what I do there is I turn those two off when I'm on inverter. The reason for that is the hot water heater and the battery charger that charges the boat. So that, because if you turn the hot water heater on, you'll see the power goes.
Tremendous.
Yes.
What was that?
That is the why is that one not turning on? That is the inverter for the air conditioning, and it is not turning on. Why is that one not turning on? Those should both be on no matter what. Damn it, man. So this is the controller for down below. So this shows you your battery voltage and how much power is coming out. Then this shows you how much power is going to your 110. So it'll also show you how much power is going to the air conditioning units. And the red is if you're plugged into shore power. And you can either use this screen here, and as it's using it, you'll see little arrows, or you can use the screen here.
Okay. Anything on the console?
Nothing that has to do with this.
Okay.
So when you plug in your shore power plug, you'll see the little green light here come on, and the little green light here, because it's shore. So in order to use shore power, you're going to slide that over and turn it on. The same as if we want to use the inverter power now. Turn that off, and you hear the microwave turn on. So now the 110 plugs work, the microwave works, all of that stuff works. I gotta just see why that one didn't want to turn on. Because that's got nothing here. It's all that goes straight from the inverter. And I was testing that last night and it was working too. I ran the air conditioning unit.
How can you run the air conditioner without the water?
I just turn it on to make sure it's turning on.
Okay.
So the air conditioning so also.
Yeah.
So in order to open it, you have to stand here to get it to open.
You didn't have a chance to do any of this, right?
No, when I come to do the spots,
I see.
then I'll do it all at the same time.
Okay. That's that valve?
Yep, and it's open. I'm just double checking.
I just want to check which one, just in case. The white big one.
The white one is for the toilets,
Uh-huh.
and
And
then
it's
there's
supposed to be closed, right?
yes, and then there's two valves here. This stainless steel one is the air conditioning. That's the
Uh-huh.
air conditioning pump.
No,
And
but where's the actual valve?
It's on this. It's right here.
Uh-huh.
So facing up is open. That's closed.
I see. Okay. I see. The inverter is on.
Yep. The air conditioning breaker was off. That was probably me yesterday working in there. And I forgot to turn it.
Where's that?
I'll show
The
you
one
that
on
there
the
now.
one on the right. It's on.
No. Why is that not?
Aluminium.